Is your YouTube TV screen mocking you with its emptiness? Let's banish that black screen and get back to your binge watching. First, the most basic but surprisingly effective step: power cycle. Turn off your TV and your streaming device completely. Unplug them from the wall for at least 30 seconds. This clears out any temporary glitches. Plug everything back in and power them on. Then relaunch YouTube TV. Next, let's tackle the internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal is a common culprit. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in while it's rebooting. Check your internet speed using a speed test app on your phone or computer to ensure you're getting sufficient bandwidth. YouTube TV recommends at least 3 Mbps for standard definition and 7 Mbps for HD. Time to check for updates. Outdated software can cause all sorts of problems on your streaming device. Navigate to the settings menu and look for system updates or app updates. If there's an update available for YouTube TV, install it. Also, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. If you're still staring at a void, try a different device. If YouTube TV works on your phone or tablet, but not on your Roku, Chromecast, Apple TV, or Fire Stick, the issue is likely with that specific device. Consider restarting or factory resetting the problematic device as a last resort. But be aware this will erase your settings. Let's inspect the physical connections. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your streaming device and your TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV, or even a different HDMI cable altogether. A faulty cable can definitely cause a black screen. Finally, if all else fails, it's time to contact YouTube TV support. Head to the YouTube TV Help Center on their website. They have a wealth of troubleshooting resources and can provide personalized assistance. Don't forget to include details about your device, your internet speed, and the steps you've already tried. Good luck, and happy streaming.